What does it say, Naomi?
That's from Isabella. Do you know what it says?
This. Mama, this.
What about that? Tell me about that dress.
This.
Do you like that picture? Do you like that picture?
No.
Is it pretty? That says Merry Christmas.
Who's that one from, Naomi?
Right.
Is yours? No way.
Can you say Isabella?
Bella.
Bella.
Who's that
Isabella.
Who's it from, Naomi?
Bella.
Really?
Can you say thank you, Isabella?
It's
Can you say it again? Thank you, Isabella.
That came from all the way from Texas. Did you know that? You want to go to Texas, Naomi? Huh? What's that? What's that? Wow. Is that a pretty dress or what, Naomi? Is that a pretty dress? Would you like to have one of those? Wow. That's pretty. You like that one, huh? Wow. It's a big dress? Wow. Who made that? You made that? Or was it
No, Isabella made it.
She did? Wow. Yeah. Wow. That's nice. What does it say, Naomi? What does it say? Can you read it?
Silas, can you push me? Silas.
Can you read that? What does it say, Naomi?
She's signing it to you, Lawrence. She's doing sign language.
Oh.
Silas, come over here.
Is that what it says? Wow. Can you translate it for me? Huh? You translate it for me, Naomi? Right that way?
Other side.
What does it say? Oh. Wow. What does it say something on it? Huh? What does it say? Wow.
Belle did it. That's what she said.
Oh, what you said? Belle just did it? Is that what you said? Oh, wow. Who is Belle? Who is Belle? No, it's not Belle.
Who's Belle? That? Is that Belle? Maybe. Maybe she drew a picture of Isabella. Maybe it's Isabella with Naomi. You're Naomi. Can you say Naomi? Malachi, you're going to break that. Get out. There's Malachi riding his stroller with Silas.
I
Okay.